Has this ever happened to you? It's weekend, what should I do now? I'll just play a game or two.
A few moments later.
You turned off your PC and you don't have neither motivation nor any idea what to do. Then, after half an hour, you become hungry and go grab a snack. What to do after? Again, video games and social networks.
Why don't you come back and sleep it up? That's over now!
And then, during mindless scrolling through Instagram, you realize something. I'm doing completely nothing. I'm just wasting my life for some stupid shit like Instagram and Fortnite. No, I don't want to be like this, but I don't know what to do. I have a solution for you and it's quite easy. No matter what you do, just do something that is useful. Start with simple things like going out for a walk. And if you have motivation, just do a basic 20 or 10-minute workout. Exercise will definitely give you motivation to do something more. You can learn a new language in Duolingo. You can watch any documentary you want. You can do anything, just force yourself to do it for a few minutes. And then you'll just be doing it. There are also some other habits that can improve your life. Try to do a meditation, it will clear your mind. Cook yourself something healthy. Just spend time with your family. Oh, and I forgot something. Just try reading a book. When you lay down in bed at 11 PM and you realize that you did do absolutely nothing that day, you will feel very bad. And that's why you should just do it.